Alcohol and the Body, the responsible serving of alcohol online programme Ireland. Knowing how alcohol affects the body can help us to understand the behaviour of our customers. Alcohol affects the body in a matter of minutes. As we know, the average person processes alcohol at a rate of 1 standard drink per hour. That's 1 glass of beer or a pub measure of spirits. Alcohol affects different people in different ways, and there are several physical factors that influence this. These are gender, height, weight, a person's health, if someone has eaten, and if alcohol is consumed with medication or illicit drugs. Most importantly, it is the blood alcohol concentration, or BAC, that determines how alcohol affects the body. If we consume more alcohol than we can process, our BAC rises. For example, if we go out for drinks at 9 p.m. on a Friday night and consume 6 pints, that's 12 standard drinks, our body will need around 12 hours to process this. We can still have alcohol in our system at around 10 or 11 a.m. the next day. That is why we need to be careful when driving or operating machinery the next day. It is illegal and dangerous. Let's look at what happens to the brain when we consume alcohol. Alcohol enters the body through the stomach and small intestine. It starts to absorb into the bloodstream within minutes. Once in the bloodstream, the heart pumps alcohol to every part of the body, including the brain and spinal cord. It can have an effect within 5 to 7 minutes. That's why we feel lightheaded or relaxed almost immediately. Alcohol affects the nerve cells in the brain, causing the functions to slow down. This can affect our emotions, judgment, balance, memory, speech, and even our mood. Different areas of the brain control different functions. The cerebral cortex controls our senses and our inhibitions. This is why alcohol can cause us to lose our inhibitions, feel more confident and relaxed. The frontal lobes of the brain control decision-making and self-control. An increase in alcohol can impair our judgment. We may find it hard to control emotions and urges. We may act without thinking, become aggressive, or even violent. The cerebellum controls our coordination. Consuming alcohol can cause clumsiness or loss of balance. The hippocampus is where memories are stored. Alcohol can cause a loss of memory or even cause blackouts. If the hypothalamus and medulla are affected by alcohol, a number of things can happen. Blood pressure, hunger, thirst, and the urge to urinate are increased, and body temperature and heart rate can decrease. Knowing how alcohol affects the body can help us to understand the product we sell. It helps us to monitor our customers and allows us to make better judgments. Ultimately, it helps us to serve responsibly.